Jeff. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Welcome back on my channel. Today is Bitcoin, or today is market is that um invest around the 1%, 2%, and 3%. But on the yesterday, I'm predicting that it will down a little bit because it has big reason. Yes, you know already the Tesla companies, they are selling around the 75% their holdings Bitcoin. So when someone holding yes, when someone holding a lot of Bitcoin or a lot of altcoin, so the market will crash a little bit. So but you don't worry, right? And how do you think about the crypto is crash? For me, I'm thinking that it is the big opportunity. And if you want to invest in holding for long term, yes, so you are good investor. Yes, you are good investor because a lot of investors, they are always holding, or they always buying while the market is crash. um, they think that they can get a lot of um, crypto or altcoin or Bitcoin, but they pay a little money, right? They pay a little money. And then after you buy in the market extra and you holding around the 1 month or 1 years later, so you will earn the big profit. And today, um, altcoin or the market is starts bullish, yes, green, yes, it is very good for the holding around us 1 week ago. I'm seeing that it is the big profit already, right? You can see here 15%, yeah, for the X and X and RP, yeah, RP, you earn more than 10%. Yeah, Atom, you earn more than 14%, and especially COV is 21% it already. And 1 week, you have only 1 week, and you holding your capitals only 1 week, you can earn around the 10 or 20%. Yes, if you follow my the method I'm also show you on my channel. And if you want to investing with the cryptocurrency, or if you want to studying or learning with the cryptocurrency, you have don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will show you make the best method with the cryptocurrency every day, so you can learning with me, right? You can learning step by step, and you can decide by yourself before you investing with the cryptocurrency. I also find the best trick for you, right? And for me, I think that after the 1 month ago, you have sorry, 1 month or 2 months later, altcoin or cryptocurrency will explode around 20 or 30% if you compare to the 1 month or 2 months ago, right? um, I think that market is will start bullish. And you can see here on the market, yeah, today is green. And the Qcoin plus, yes, Qcoin plus is that mean the buffalo of Qcoin, you have, and it is real. You have the big project, and I think that um, a lot of people holding it, right? Like Sun, like PYO, Mana, VO, and the main market. You have the Qcoin, SLP, ENJ, Block, Cakes, yes, Pool, or AHS. I tell you that AHS and the SLP is the only one company, right? It is the only one company, or it the only one funder. They have two altcoin. They held two altcoin. Yeah, this founder held two altcoin. And if you check on the coins market cap, yeah, so you will see a lot of, yeah, you will see a lot of screen. And however, on the yesterday is down to 1 or 2 or 5%, but today it start increase again after the Tesla is selling 35% they're holding Bitcoin, right? So don't worry. I never seen that Bitcoin is crash again, so because it will explode step by step after the down 6 months already, right? It down 6 months already. And if you check on the market cryptocurrency, or if you check on the market stock market, so you will see the stock market is some company is down around the 50 or 60%, so it is a lot. Yes, and you can see here green. Yeah, it's green all. And the first page in coin market cap, it has range from number 1 and until to numbers 100 is green all. And you compare to the stock market, yeah, it will increase step by step. I'm seeing that it slowly than the cryptocurrency, right? Stock market is increase slowly than cryptocurrency. And however, is stock market is the big money, and cryptocurrency today is the big money too. Yeah, and I can compare it because a lot of people in the world now they start use the cryptocurrency already. So see that 1 or 2 or 5 years later, yeah, cryptocurrency will go to the moon, and because it helps a lot of investors start use their money investing with the cryptocurrency, and holding, right, and holding around the 1 or 2 years already, so they can take profit. Example that if you buy Matic on the 2020, and today is Matic it nearly $1 it already, so they can earn around the 5,000% it already. This is the best trade for the holding, or for the investments long term. Yeah, so for investment long term, it is good for the take your profit. Yeah, and thank you very much guys, and for watch my video, don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will show you guys about the best trade with the cryptocurrencies every day on my channel. Right, thank you.